How to watch SmackDown live on Peacock TV stream. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, visit the Peacock TV stream. It's either it's going to be on your browser or from your smart television. Now, if you don't have an account yet, what you want to do is just head over to their official site and go on Get Started. Once you have successfully created an account, you will now then choose your own preferred subscription or plan. Now this is gonna be your Peacock TV homepage once you have fully logged in. You can go ahead and create your profile, which is located at the top right portion of your screen. Now once you have added WWE on your Peacock TV, it will automatically be added to one of the tabs at the center portion of your screen. If you haven't added one, just head directly to this magnifying glass right here and then just look for WWE and hit on subscribe. And that's it. That's how you watch live SmackDown on Peacock TV stream.